In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine first and last names in Google Sheets. This task can be incredibly useful if you have separate columns for first and last names and want to merge them into a single full name column. It might sound a bit complicated if you're new to Google Sheets, but I assure you, with these easy steps, you'll be able to do it effortlessly. To start, you'll need to open a Google Sheet. If you don't have a document ready, you can create a new one or use an existing sheet where you have your data organized. Once your Google Sheet is open, scan through your data to locate the first and last name columns. For this demonstration, let's assume the first names are in column A and the last names are in column B. Next, you should click on the cell where you want the full name to appear. This could be just to the right of your last name column, say in column C. So you would click on cell C2 if you're following along with the example we're using here. It's important to choose the right cell for your formula to make sure that your combined names line up correctly with the corresponding first and last names. Now that you've selected the right cell, it's time to enter the formula. In this case, you'll be using the concatenate function, which is great for merging different text strings into one. Type in the formula as follows: S concatenate A2 ish B2. Notice how there's a space between the quotation marks. This ensures there will be a space between the first and last name, creating a properly formatted full name. This formula pulls the first name from cell A2, adds a space, and then pulls the last name from cell B2. After you've typed in the formula, press the Enter key. You should now see the combined full name in the cell you selected. It's a quick and simple operation, but it's quite powerful once you get the hang of it. To apply this formula to other rows, you can take advantage of Google Sheets' autofill feature. Hover over the bottom right corner of the cell with the formula until you see a small blue square. This is the autofill handle. Click and drag this handle down through the rows you want to fill. The formula will adjust automatically for each row, pulling in the respective first and last names and creating a full name each time. And there you have it. You've learned how to combine first and last names using Google Sheets. This technique can save you a lot of time and keep your data neatly organized. Feel free to experiment with the concatenate function to combine other types of data. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.